This is one way also of importing the data from have all the. Now what happens is when you import data from the web page, the data set automatically arranges itself, or the measures automatically arrange themselves in the rows and columns. So you may have to delete them. So if you delete them, you can select which of the columns you all want to add from here also, measures that you want to add. But okay, in summary, and then you have to work out the values and things like that. But the point here is that this is when you want to import the data from an external source, you can always copy it from there and come and paste it directly on the. That is one thing that I want to show you. This data source also, and of course, if you want, you can also export it to the CSV file format. So this I'm writing .csv. Let's see how it shows up. That's where we have to see it if you have copied and pasted it correctly. So it's not properly copied and pasted formatting. It's not been worked out properly. The export, since the overall import the paste itself is not properly formatted, so we haven't we're not able to get it in the CSV desired CSV file. That is one part of the story. That is something we have to work on. The primary objective is to understand how we copy it from the web page. That is one thing. Let's close this data source also. For every import that I'm showing you, I'm clicking on data here, scrolling it down on close data source. So, and then it gives a warning sign that caution sign that the primary data will be deleted and all the relevant graphs and charts or data visualizations that you may have prepared, they'll also be deleted. And of course, that is unexpected lines. So I click OK. And here this sheet number changes to sheet number 6. Yes. There is one more thing that you can work here is click on more, and it gives you an entire gamut. It's a very big list. It's a list of all the databases that you can use for importing your data set into Tableau. Now here we see that the most common ones are PostgreSQL, Google Analytics also we use, Google Drive also we use. Let's click on Google Drive and see what we have. Clicking on Google Drive, I already have a Google Drive and opens, then we'll be able to import a data set there from too. Yes, it's allowing us the access, indicating your default browser. That is, since I already logged into my account, it should show. Yes, we have some processing time. That is, yes, that is going to take a little longer though, it seems. But out here you can see that we have Actian Vector, Alibaba, Amazon. There's a long list of Amazon. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 servers of Amazon, Azure, Cloudera, Hadoop. Which others we have? We have the Google ones. We have the imports also. Impala. We have the Hadoop Hive, MariaDB, Microsoft Power Pivot, and Microsoft SQL Server. SQL Server I already showed you. I'll show you again. Then we have the MongoDB BI connector. We also have the Oracle data sets, Oracle databases, OneDrive, SharePoint, Pivotal, Greenplum, PostgreSQL, as I said earlier, SAP as well, SAP HANA, Viva, Sybase. It's a little longer to activate or to authenticate. We also have the TIBCO data visualization, Teradata is there, yes, and other databases will be okay. Or request timed out, the user may have closed the browser or cancel that request. Done, so let's do it. If it is not, then probably we move on. It also has Spark, SQL, Snowflake, Splunk, and Teradata. These are very important databases that they provide us. And so these are integrated in Tableau, and you don't see the same count in Power BI. So Tableau has its own significance. So it's going to authenticate. So the additional connectors that they have provided us with. This, let's see, the default browser is my Internet Explorer, then I'm not sure because I That is a bit of an issue here. So we are not able to connect to the Google Drive directly. But trust me on that, you can do it. I've done it in the past, so it works. Right, so these are the servers that you can connect to. Now, these are some of the samples that come with Tableau's connections or Tableau software. So you can use these ones also if you want that part. Also, it's not that part. Find something open. Let's see what shows up. So this is the all pages. We have the tables here that we can see. So it is giving us a table here. We do not have anything of sense into the PDF file format that we have taken here, but this is what we have. It will create a worksheet based on the file format that we import. So typically, it will even import the PDF file format. That's what the function is. We do not have any dedicated price data or any data set in the PDF format. So just imported a random file PDF file format on data source here. So data source here. Right, organizing data pane, sorting fields in data. Come here, let us open a file. Let's click on Microsoft Excel. Select India, banking data. Select banking data and I can open. So now we have, we have the different fields and physical tables, the remote field names and everything. Now here it is already shown. It is telling us if I click on this, it is asking me if you want to rename this or you want to copy any values, you want to hide values. So typically, any data management activity that you want to do, you can do it over here itself. If I select Berger here, I added Berger and Maryland also. Let's add it. Now here it is asking me that there is a cardinality. It is trying to define the relationship, as you can see here, patient to Berger. Cardinality is many to many, but of course, I have not made any field selections over here, so it is showing us an error. Select matching fields to create the relationship. So what I'll do is I'll select here and select date. Select date here as well. So here we can see now that caution or the error is now gone. And what is it showing us here? For the given date range that we have here, we are having the Berger price data that we can see here. If I select Asian to Berger, if I select only Asian, that is the Asian's price data. If I select only Berger, it's going to show me the Berger price data. If I select here logical tables, relationship Asian to Berger. So this is the operator also is equal to, you can also change the operator. You can select on performance options here. You can define the cardinality, the referential integrity, some records match. Let's click on this. All records match. Suppose I will take all records match.